afternoon YouTube. I'm shouting a bit because it's windy and I'm not sure how much you can hear. Just come out for a walk. It's just gone 3 in the afternoon, so I've got about an hour before it starts getting properly dark. I've got my torches with me. Anyway, I've just come out to try and find some snow because I'd kick myself if I missed it. No snow that side, but as you can see, we've got snow this side, all over here. So I'm going to head that way, see how I do, see you in a bit. Right, so the weather looks like it's really going to be coming in over from KARRIMOR there, so I might get wet, but I've got enough gear with me, so should be alright. Starting to get quite thick in some areas, the snow now, so I'm going to sit down on this rock now and get the crampons on. Don't want to be slipping all over the place. So yeah, so the weather looks awful over there. Not too bad over here where I'm heading, so let's see how it goes. Catch you in a bit. Crampons on, let's go. Proper winter conditions now. It's not cold though. I put my hat on because I sat down. I always put this hat on when I take a break, take the cap off, because I don't want to get cold sitting there. I've left it on anyway, but anyway, why have I gone on about that? Yeah, so enjoying it so far. Just hope the weather doesn't change too much. Don't mind snow, but don't really fancy rain. But hey ho, see what happens in it. Let's carry on. It is going to get dark soon, but taking it easy anyway. I got my torches, so I'm not going to go rushing home or anything like that. I don't know where I'm heading. Talafan's over there. Might head as far as that, I'm not sure yet. So, see how it goes. Tough now. Not the temperature's alright. The under the foot, it's slushy, really slushy and tiring on the legs. I'm not sure how much further I'm going to go. Proper white out up there, so I don't know if it's worth it. But I'm going to carry on for a bit longer, and I need to find a rock. I need to sit down and have a coffee. But there's none about at the moment. Look at that one right there. Right, so I'm going to sit there and have a coffee. See you in a bit. Cheers. Happy New Year. Still nice and hot. Not bought the stove with me today. Didn't fancy setting it up, trying to make a fire. Thought it'd be a lot windier. It's quite windy, but it's not too bad. So I just thought I'd bring a flask of hot coffee, make it easy. snow's getting deep now. Wow. Don't really need a torch at this point. It might look like it on the camera, but yeah, I've only got it on for the sake of the camera. But I'm going to turn it off now to save some battery. Whoa. That is deep. Whoa. Wow. It's getting really deep here now. Right. Get myself out this hole and I'm going to head back home. Got to know when to quit. It's getting a bit windy now and I can't see a lot. I've got a torch, but not much fun in the dark, is it? Right, see you on my next trip. Ta-da.